Hello and welcome to Learn with Indrjeet. This is another video in the series of videos titled Code Like a Pro in Visual Studio 2022, and we are learning about keyboard shortcuts to code faster. In the previous video, we learned about navigation and scrolling shortcuts. If you have not watched that video, please go ahead and watch that. In this video, we will be covering code selection shortcuts using the Shift key. We'll be looking at left right arrow keys along with a combination of shift, control shift, home and end keys with shift, control plus W to select the current word, and control plus shift plus closing square bracket to select different code blocks. So let's go to Visual Studio, and normally when we want to select code, we just press the shift key and the right arrow key like so, but it is kind of slow. Same way, to select anything to the left of the cursor, we press the shift key and then press the left arrow key. Same goes for selecting lines above and selecting lines below. Shift with up key and shift with down key. Now, to select faster, just press the control shift and the right arrow key. It will select the code word by word towards the left. Control shift and left like this, right? To select in the upward direction, shift plus up arrow key, and in the downward direction, shift plus down arrow key, right? To select the whole line, we need to be the cursor needs to be placed in the beginning or at the end. So to move the cursor to the beginning of the line, just press home key and then shift plus end, and the whole line is selected. Similarly, if you are at the end of the line, like so, just press shift plus home, right? To select the current word, just press Ctrl W, like so. Now, if suppose we are in this comment and we press Ctrl Shift and closing square bracket, it will select the whole comment because it is enclosed in those quotes. Similarly, if we are here in this quotes in these brackets, pressing the Control Shift and close square bracket will select the enclosing code in these braces, right? If we are here, pressing Control Shift and close square bracket will select the whole code block, right? Similarly, like this. To select the whole document, press Control A and the whole document will be selected, right? So these are code selection shortcuts we covered: selecting character by character, selecting by word, selecting by line, selecting current word, and selection in a code block. So I hope you like this video. Please tell me in comments which shortcut out of these you are frequently using and which is your most favorite shortcut. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Please like and share this video in your closed circle. Thank you very much for your time. Keep learning.